When replacing the spool pins on our Janome, there are three components: our bushing, our spool pin, and our circlip. When you insert them in together, you want to make sure that the flat side of your clip goes in the slot in the bushing. This will ensure that your pin does not fall through on the machine. Now, we're going to need to take the top of our machine off. With your screwdriver, lift up your handle and undo your screws on top of the machine. Once you have undone these screws, you can then take the top lid off. Gently push in from the side and the whole thing will just pop right off. There we go. Now, inserting them. Make sure that we have the cutout to the front. Push the bushings in. With your pins in, you're going to get the ridges towards the top. Using your clip, make sure that the flat side is on the cutout. Gently push it in. There we go. Flat side is on the cutout. Grab our next one, pop it in. Perfect. Now it's time to put it back onto our machine. Let's put it back onto our machine. Open up our side cover, gently pop her on the top, wiggle her in, handle up, and screw her back in. There we go. Now we have replaced our spool pins and we are ready to start sewing again.